blistering, painful swelling, and deep ulcer within minutes of skin contact. Exposure to the ice can lead to temporary or even permanent blindness. Burning its wood releases poisonous smoke that can inflame and scar the lungs, a risk often underestimated by the unaware. Despite its deadly reputation, the mantanal plays a crucial role in its native ecosystems. Its deep root system and coarse coastal soils preventing erosion. It provides shelter and nesting grounds for local bird species. Yet most land and sea creatures instinctively avoid it, sensing its danger and ancient wisdom ingrained in their survival. In 1999, a Canadian tourist